Get ready for an exciting trivia challenge. Name that animal. Let's get started. What is the biggest animal on Earth? Blue whale. Which animal is known for its ability to change color to match its surroundings? Chameleon. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal is known as the ghost of the mountains? Snow leopard. What is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly? Penguin. Can you guess this one? Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Type your answers in the comments section. Thanks for watching.